Hello, I'm Luke, a software engineer at GPTZero. Let's begin our walkthrough by learning how to sign in to the GPTZero dashboard using both email and Google. To start, let's open up the GPTZero website and click Sign in the upper right-hand corner. On the sign in page, you'll see two options, sign in with email and sign in with Google. Let's register for email first. We'll choose Register and then sign in with our email. Let's enter the email address that we want to associate with our GPT-Zero account and your password. You'll also need to enter your name and role. After providing the required information, click on the Register button to access the GPT-Zero dashboard. If this is your first time signing in to GPT-Zero, or if you haven't confirmed your email address yet, you will receive a verification link in your email inbox. You'll need to check your email for the verification link provided from GPT-Zero. Let's check our email. Let's open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will confirm your email and you'll be redirected back to the GPT-Zero dashboard. If you prefer to sign in with your Google account, go to the GPT-Zero sign-in page again. Click on the Sign in with Google option, which is the other option available on the sign-in page. A new window will appear, showing a list of Google accounts associated with your device. Select the Google account you want to use for signing in. If you're already logged in to that Google account, you'll be granted access to the GPT-Zero dashboard without the need for additional credentials. That's it. You've successfully signed into the GPT-Zero dashboard using both email and Google. There are several ways to scan text to see if there's any AI involvement. I've gone to the gptzero.me website and grabbed some demo content that is ChatGPT generated. I can paste the content into the text scan feature and accept the terms of service and then click Get Results. As you can see, GPT-Zero determines that this text is likely to be written entirely by AI. It will highlight the sentences that it thinks has any AI involvement. Now you can start exploring the capabilities that GPT-Zero has to offer. If you encounter any issues or have any further questions, click on the question mark button in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Please check out our FAQ, support center, or contact our support team for assistance. Happy exploring!